Hi, I'm Anthony Holland. I'm Head of Pre-Sales here at ANS. In this video, we're going to change a firewall rule on eCloudVPC. So I'm back here in my VPC screen. I'm just going to click on the left-hand menu and select Routers. And I'm going to open my router. So this is the router for my VPC. This is the outbound and inbound point of access to the internet. And I can change throughput here. I can increase that right up to 2.5 gigabits per second if I need to, but by default, out of the box, your VPC is set to 25 megabits per second. Now then, I'm going to click the Firewall Policies button at the top. We've already created quite a number of firewall policies for you already, and the value there is that we've got you back in terms of the security. This is ready to go. This is basically what most people require. It's outbound access to the internet and things like that. What you can do is make modifications to this if you require. What I'm going to do in this instance is I'm going to create a brand new policy. And in this one, I'm going to give myself access to FTP or SFTP. And what I want to do here is to, now I've created a policy, add a rule to that policy. And I'm going to call it inbound SFTP. So I'm going to say all inbound traffic will be allowed from any source IP going to any destination IP over the following port numbers. TCP, and that's going to be port 22, which is SFTP. I'm going to create that rule. And I'm going to create a second rule called outbound SFTP. So this is if you were sat on the servers within my VPC, I could create an outbound rule allowing any originating source IP to any destination IP over TCP to access port 22 and create rule. It takes a couple of moments, and then I'm presented with the ability to have outbound and inbound TCP traffic on port 22 is allowed. And we're done.